Hi, I am John, and I have a guy with me. His name is Samu. He says he's an alien that knows a lot of stuff, and I do believe him. So now I will ask him some questions. He doesn't know English very well though, but only the stuff he learned in the last 30 minutes, but it will not be a problem, I am sure. So now we'll take advantage of his knowledge in order to ask him something very important.
So, you wanna ask me about the cure of cancer?
Well, maybe in the next show. Now I want to ask you something as important as this.
Okay, well, go ahead then.
I want to ask you about women. You do know a lot about women, right?
Sure, I know a lot about women because my mother was a woman.
Yes, but your mother was an alien, right?
Still woman?
So, a friend of mine took a girl on his first date at the movies, but he had a serious problem.
He couldn't find a place to park his car?
That is right. How did you know that?
Been there with my limo UFO.
Okay, I see. But that wasn't his main problem. His problem was that one wanted to see Rambo and the other wanted to see Sex in the City. So, what a guy must do in this position?
Well, if she wanted to see Rambo and he wanted to see Sex and the City, then you are on the wrong date.
I think it was the other way around.
Oh, that's pretty easy. You have to persuade her to see Rambo with you. Otherwise, she will prefer a couple of shoes instead of Mr. Big. But you have to be cautious. Don't try to be a badass because women don't like those guys. Women like the guys that they are actually badass and not pretending that they are. So my advice is this: watch Rambo, but be Mr. Big.
Okay, thanks very much. It is obvious that you know a lot of things about women. So, when there is another question, I will be sure to seek you out. Is that okay with you?
Of course.
Okay, thanks. See ya later.
Bye bye.